board trains. Please travel without them.
And now, yay, half an hour.
Platform 4 for the 1629 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston. Tickets marked London North Western Railway only, West Midlands Railway only or Lumo trains only are not valid on this service.
Right, did he? Class 80706.
This is British Transport Police. If you notice something out of the ordinary, speak to a member of staff or text us on 61016 and we'll get it sorted. That's 61016.
Please remember to mind the gap when boarding and alighting the train. The next train at platform 2 is the 1658 London North Western Railway service to London Euston via Watford Junction. Calling at Bletchley, Leighton Buzzard, Cheddington, Tring, Berkhamsted, Hemel Hempstead, Apsley, King's Landing, Watford Junction, Bushey, Harrow and Wilmington, and London Euston. This train is
Now, history. Harley, hello. Harley, hello. Harley. Not long now. Yeah. 7807002.
For this train to cancel today due to an operational incident with the train. Thank you.
And now, I got 7 minutes. Yes.
5 minutes.
I've had it then.
Please remember to mind the gap when boarding and alighting the train.
I just put this one on. At least, I'm not going to say, at least you've got good news, isn't it?
Is not allowed anywhere at this station or on trains. This includes e-cigarettes and vapes. Thank you. The next train at platform 1 is the 1705 London North Western Railway service to London Euston via Watford Junction. Crawley and Bletchley, Greater Buzzard, Watford Junction and London Euston. This train is formed of 8 carriages. Tickets marked about West Coast only or Limo trains only are not valid on this service. Platform 1.
And now, 771.
London North Western Railway service to London Euston via Watford Junction.
This is British Transport Police. If you notice something out of the ordinary, speak to a member of staff or text us
80509.
Is it Cheltenham?
07. And now, 1703. Second Northampton. Carsten 30 220. Pass at 1704. 1704.
Is this one not stopping?
No. Look. And now 11:11. No, 17:11. That's not. No. It is here.
Is it? Is this it, Kev?
Yes. How's that? No. We'll see you soon. God bless.